Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export chat-based data in 2026. Whether you want to back up your chatbot information, review conversations, or analyze your AI performance, exporting your data is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the AI agent you want to export data from. Next, go to the *analytics *conversations or settings section, depending on the type of data you want to export. Yeah, different types of information may be available in different sections of the dashboard. Now, look for the *export or download option. Choose the format that's available, such as CSV or another supported file type, and confirm the export request. Wait a few moments while Chatbase prepares your file. You know, larger datasets may take a little longer to generate before they're ready to download. Once the export is complete, save the file to your computer and review it to make sure it contains the information you need. If the export option isn't available for your account, check your current plan or available permissions. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Chatbase data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.